Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1561, maximum number of coins you can get. Okay, so here is given a vector piles, and basically it is the size of is 3n. In each step you can choose any 3 of piles of a coin. Okay, so here is given that how can you choose the coin in a piles, and let's do this. Here is given an array integer pile where piles of I is the number of a coin in a ith pile. Okay, number of coins means there in ith pile there is a 2 coin, and in 0 there is a 2 coin, and at 1 there is 4 coin, and 2 there is 1 coin. So you just have to return the maximum number of a coin that you can have. Okay, so let's do this. Int answer, this will store the answer which is initializing with 0, and int n equals to piles dot size. This will store the size of n vector, and then you just have to do sorting piles dot begin comma piles dot end, and then you just have to do for int I equals to n by 3, and then I less than n, and then I plus plus. Okay, and it is not I plus plus, it is I equals to I plus 2. Okay, and after this you just have to do answer plus equals to piles of I, and after this you just have to return the answer. Let's run this code. Okay, piles of I. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.